Hi, this is Jeff, and I'm going to install Firefox.
Alright, now it's done downloading. So we're going to run it.
Um, that's for later. First, I got to install this.
Alright, next. Upgrade. Finish. And that right there is how you access through the FTP directory for Firefox 6.0.2. So here's what it is. FTP directory /pub/firefox/releases/6.0.2/Windows 32/English
Okay, Firefox is in right now.
United States/at ftp.mozilla.org. And we're gonna, when I saved that, it saved to the C drive, which is the hard drive basically, under programs and then program
now
files.
It's running.
So, and this up here is the path.
Then
I'm gonna highlight this
you
the
go
path
to
to get there. You just type that in.
FTP.
So that's installing Windows or installing
Mozilla.
Mozilla Firefox and then using the FTP directory and the path for it, and also where it was saved. Thank you. Holy shit, that video's done. Finally.
Okay, sorry about my friend. When we go to Firefox, I have to click on the pub file, and then releases. Okay, Windows 32. English US. Download. I forgot to say that my first file was Firefox Setup 9.0. Because XP Professionals 64-bit Special Service Pack 1. The first file downloaded to the C drive into program files. This one should be going to the same place. I'll check out when it's done.
Today I'm going to show you how to download Mozilla Firefox in VMware on Vista. Okay, so first off, turn on the internet.
Okay, now let's check out where it went. Oh wait, I kind kind of made a dumb mistake here. Instead of going to downloads. And there is right there. That's one I installed from the file transfer protocol website of my Firefox. Okay. Thank you.